Welcome to my channel Robo-CK. So today topic is how we make the new program in Nachi robot. First of all, as you can see in my previous video, I explained the keypad of the Nachi robot. So there is one key is named the program. So have to press the enable plus program key. So this option will display directory, copy, delete, name. So we select the directory and check there is one row is number. So one number, two number, 100 number, 128 number, 129, these are the program numbers already available. So we make one new program of number 3. So first of all we press the program plus enable plus program directory, designated program, press the 3. If you want to 3 number, put the 3 and enter. Now program number is 3 displayed. First of all we have to take the AND instruction. How we put the AND? By pressing enable and AND key is there, press. So AND is available. Now we have to make the program in between 0 and 1 number AND line. If you want to take the new line, have to insert by pressing enable plus insert key. One motion point is inserted. By jogging the robot, making motor on, enable plus motor on, press the dead man. Now motor is continuously on. Select the coordinate, tool, joint, robot. We select the joint and jog the robot by J1, J2, J3, J5, J4, J5, J6 and take one another point by same procedure, enable plus insert. We have take the second point. Same you change the coordinate. If I select the tool, now jog robot X, Y, Z and take the another one, third point. Now we have make one program of 3 points. If you want to edit point from linear to joint, there is one key, edit. Press the edit key. If you want to change the speed, you put the 20. If want to change the Cartesian interpolation type, joint, linear, circular. For linear, have to select one. I press enter 1 plus enter. Now point goes to linear. Increase the speed up to 5000. We can take the linear point speed. Okay. This is A1 accuracy. A1 to A8 accuracy vary, so we can change from there. I put the 5, enter A5 accuracy. This is the tool number, so you can also change the tool number, but we are making program in tool 1, so it's okay. Now make it complete. Now you can see the program third. We again go in directory and check. There is one program number 3 and steps 4 that we have make completed, and you want to open, press enter. Your program is ready. If you want to run, press simply go by selecting continue or step. If you want to run in step, that time you have to press the stop key. Now it's moving step by step. After reaching the point, it's so yellow. Now it's moving next point is okay, and program is end. Thank you.